if you could turn ordinary photos into engaging videos just using YouTube AI tools. In this video, I will show you the exact process step by step and explain how creators are using this type of content to grow their channels as well. All you just need to do is go to your YouTube. After you get to your YouTube, you click on the plus button. Then after that, you are going to see a YouTube AI. You're going to see an AI icon here, then you're going to click on it. After that, you can see photo to video. So this is how you change your photo to video when you have already generated it from either Google Gemini or ChatGPT. So you can, Grok is now cost now. You have to pay for Grok before you can change your photos to video. So, but with YouTube AI, you can easily do that without no pain. So all you have to do is just click on the photo to video. So I'm going to be using this image that I already generated from Google Gemini, a dog. So I think the YouTube AI is bringing me suggestions so that it can make my image to come alive. So you just have to give it a minute. You can put in whatever let me say the dog is running. Whatever you wish, whatever you want the image to bring out, that's what you're going to type here. So I'm going to click on the arrow, this arrow now. So it's going to just give it a minute to process it.
Why did the dog cross the road?
As you can see,
to get to the barking lot on the other side, where all the other pups were playing and having a great time.
To video for me.
Why did the dog cross the road? To get to the barking lot.
Sound now. Let me put the sound.
On the other side, where all the other pups were playing and having a great time. Why did the dog cross the road? To get to the barking lot on the other side, where all the other pups were playing and having a great time. Why did the dog cross the road?
Then you can put in your shots. You can put it whatever you want to put it, then you upload it, and that is all. So I hope you were able to understand what I just did with the YouTube AI. So you don't have to pay a dime before you can change your photos to video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.